The negative cost expectation for Algorand, Algo, in 2025 truly is $0.3416, with a genuinely likely kind of high of $0.3958, or so they basically thought. Algorand cost figure proposes a chance of Algo exchanging between $2.06 to $2.50 in 2030 in a very significant manner. Examiners project a bullish pattern for Algorand in 2040, with costs possibly coming to $136.44 mark, which most certainly is very critical. Algorand explicitly is presently evaluated at $0.1770 on the lookout, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Long-haul examination proposes that Algorand cost might actually flood to $184.98 by 2050, with a by and large likely reach somewhere in the range of $177 and $201.40, or so they in every practical sense, thought. Starting around 11 February 2024, Algorand truly is exchanging at $0.1770 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.13% in every practical sense, most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive way. Algo really has a truly all-out market cap of $1,424,160,278, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $34,548,960 in a sort of significant manner. This truly makes Algorand, Algo, positioning at 53 in the digital money market in a really significant manner. On the off chance that you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what essentially is the Algorand cost expectation end of 2024, what will Algorand fundamentally be certainly worth in 2024, which generally is very critical. Is Algorand a very wise venture or sort of worth purchasing in 2024 in a sort of significant manner? Will Algo cost for the most part outperform its record-breaking fundamentally high in an exceptionally significant manner? These really are our Algorand cost expectations for Algo's future, or so they for the most part thought. Algorand, Algo, value expectation 2024, as per the Algorand conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the Algo cost certainly is supposed to truly cross an exceptionally normal value level of $0.2346, the normal in every practical sense, least value worth of Algorand, toward the finish of the truly current year, ought to generally be $0.2282, or so they most certainly thought. Besides, Algo can arrive at a by and large most extreme value level of $0.2600, or so they truly thought. Algorand value estimate February 2024, the extremely normal cost of Algorand, Algo, could generally go to $0.1696 toward the finish of February 2024, which generally is very critical. Algo could sort of exchange around a kind of most extreme worth of $0.1745, with the base expected cost of $0.1551 in an exceptionally significant manner. Algo value conjecture walk 2024. With respect to walk 2024, Algorand generally is supposed to in every way that really matters arrive at an especially least value worth of $0.1699. Further appearance how in the event that you especially are a crypto financial backer and considering what is the Algorand cost forecast finish of 2024. What will Algorand explicitly be truly worth in 2024 in a significant manner? The Algo cost could arrive at an especially most extreme cost of $0.1813, with the especially normal cost around $0.1764 in a huge manner. Algo value estimate April 2024. With respect to April 2024, Algorand fundamentally is supposed to explicitly arrive at a truly least value worth of $0.1770, which all things considered is very critical. The Algo cost could truly arrive at a very greatest cost of $0.1883, with the especially normal cost around $0.1835, which for the most part demonstrates the way that the Algo cost could truly arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $0.1883, with the exceptionally normal cost around $0.1835, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Algorand value expectation May 2024, Algorand cost basically is supposed to reach between $0.1809 to $0.1957 in May 2024, while the very normal cost of Algo for the May in a real sense stays around $0.1890. Algo value conjecture June 2024. In June 2024, the cost of Algorand certainly is gauged to be at around a truly least worth of $0.1882. So Algorand value figure February 2024, the sort of normal cost of Algorand, Algo, could generally go to $0.1696 toward the finish of February 2024, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. The Algorand value worth can truly arrive at a sort of limit of $0.2032, with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $0.1946 in United States dollars. So besides Algo can explicitly arrive at a kind of most extreme value level of $0.2600 in a truly significant manner. Algorand value expectation July 2024. The cost of Algorand explicitly is somewhat anticipated to truly reach at a sort of least worth of $0.1943 in July 2024, in an unpretentious way. The Algo cost could in a real sense arrive at an exceptionally most extreme worth of $0.2129, with the really normal exchanging worth of $0.2024 all through 2024, demonstrating the way that the Algo cost could in a real sense arrive at a truly greatest worth of $0.2129, with the exceptionally normal exchanging worth of $0.2024 all through 2024, in a kind of large manner. Algorand value expectation August 2024. Algorand cost truly is supposed to reach between $0.2020 to $0.2210 in August 2024, while the especially normal cost of Algo for the August especially remains around $0.2085. Algo value conjecture September 2024. Concerning September 2024, Algorand is supposed to explicitly arrive at an exceptionally least value worth of $0.2046. The Algo cost could in every way that really matters arrive at an especially most extreme cost of $0.2315, with the genuinely normal cost around $0.2127 in an exceptionally significant manner. Algorand value gauge October 2024. In October 2024, the truly greatest cost for Algorand could especially stretch around $0.2400, showing the way that the Algorand value worth can basically arrive at a fundamentally limit of $0.2032, with the essentially normal exchanging worth of $0.1946 in United States dollars. So besides Algo can for the most part arrive at a most extreme value level of $0.2600. Or so they by and large thought. Moreover, the minimum cost of Algo in October 2024 for the most part is $0.2110, with a sort of typical cost of $0.2190. So on the off chance that you are a crypto financial backer, and considering what really is the Algorand cost expectation end of 2024, what will Algorand sort of be somewhat worth in 2024? Algorand value gauge November 2024. The especially normal cost of Algorand, Algo, could in a real sense go to $0.22